This is Noel trying to do selfie mode. I'm on my way to a conference, and I thought I would show how I'm getting there. I found this to be the easiest, not the easiest, but the lowest cost form of travel and staying. And this is how I do it. On the vehicle I have a motorcycle, and I'm using this lift. So this is the lift mechanism right here, and it appears to be hanging in there right now. But I've gone about 60 miles so far. All right, that's where we're at. We are 14 miles from our destination. I'll see you then. All right, I'm at my destination. Let's see, do a selfie mode here. I'm at my destination. I have to unload this. It's not the simplest thing. As you can see, it's strapped on, and it did make it here. It didn't fall off. I'm glad about that. I don't think I can hold the camera and do this, but I'll get as much video as I can of me lowering it. I usually use this to help me get it, but the angle is not something I can make it work. So I'm going to try to find another tool. Using a wrench, I was able to get this thing to turn. And, you know, it turns fairly well. I'm not sure I can turn it by my hand yet. But this pin is what keeps it from falling down. You don't want to put hydraulic jacks under a permanent load because they tend to leak down, or that would be rather problematic on the road to have it shift positions. So this pin prevents it from coming down. Now once I do remove this pin, you see that all the straps are on the top of this carriage here. Everything is strapped to the top of this carriage, so this carriage will fall down with these linkages, and I get a little nervous doing this, believe me. Okay, you put it in this hole. There's a lesson in putting it in this hole. You do not want to put it in this hole. I usually hold it right here. All right. So, as gently as I can, I'm going to let this thing down. Okay, the system is lowering. You don't want it to go too fast. All right, I'll tighten it down there. So now you can see that the system is in the down position. I'll give you a little better view of it. Now I just have to unstrap it. and pull it off the trailer or the rack. All right, so I have had some help pulling the bike off. The problem is that the wheel sits in here and it's hard to bring it up over this part. The rack is rated for 450 pounds. This BMW F650 GS from 2005, I weighed it on a scale at 472 pounds. When I talked to the representative for the manufacturer, they said that if it was over 450 pounds, it would simply wear out faster. But the problem tends to be that it can't lift the motorcycle when it's extended in the fully down position. So it has the most mechanical advantage at the top. And it's not all the way down right now. You can see it would go down another inch or two. You can see there's a little bit left on the jack here. So I think this is a fair assessment of the situation. If you have a bike that's under 450 pounds, it'll work fine. The BMW is a very sturdy machine, and weighing 25 pounds over that becomes a little problematic if you have to lower it to the lowest position.